Uh, Previous day I have discussed, that is class 11 maths, okay, the limit chapter, okay. Actually, 2 classes I have taken already on the chapter, and first chapter was introduction part, what is limit, what is left hand limit, and what is right hand limit. Okay, wait, I know. I will discuss. For the upcoming exam, the chapters are which will be in the exam, that is first chapter set relation, trigonometric functions, quadratic equation and complex number. These 4 chapters will come in your exam. Okay, again I am saying set, relation function, trigonometric functions and complex number and quadratic equation. That 4 chapters will be there, and that the chapter names also be on your will be given in your Skype chat, and 20 question will be there. For each question is carrying 1 mark. Okay, and exam date, for the exam date you have to check regularly in a school website. Okay, in school website you will get that information. Okay, any query? Other voice is not clear, why? Hello, 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 hello. Now it is clear? Now it is clear? Tell me. Now it is clear? Yes, okay. The chapter's name again. The first chapter set, second chapter relation and function, third chapter trigonometric functions, fourth chapter that is complex number and quadratic equation. These 4 chapters will come in your exam. First of all, how many questions will be there? 20 questions will be there. Each of them is carrying 1 mark. Okay. Any query? And the chapter names also be in the, will be there. Will be given within 2 or 3 minutes in your Skype chat. For the first time, I am seeing that 9 students are here. Okay. I know that is for the exam syllabus, okay, but it will be better if you join every classes of class 11. Okay, now I am starting the class. Okay, that chapter's name will be uploaded very soon in your chat box. Okay, so limit. So previous day I have discussed that direct substitution method, and I have also started the factorization method. In the factorization method means where I cannot put x direct values of x, then it will reveal that indeterminate form. Indeterminate form, I have discussed that if denominator is 0, that form is called indeterminate form. We should avoid that form. In this chapter, our first target will be to avoid the indeterminate form. Like that, if limit x tends to 2, x square minus 6 okay, limit x tends to 2, x square minus 4 by x minus 2, we cannot put x equal to 2 directly. So the first method, direct substitution method, will be removed. That process, that method I cannot apply here, because if I put x equal to 2, so denominator will become 0. Denominator will become 0, and denominator 0 means that is not exist. Okay, that is the indeterminate form. So limit x tends to 0, sorry, x tends to 2, and now x square minus 4. X square minus 4 means 4 can be written as 2 square, that is x plus 2 and x minus 2, very easy formula, that is x plus 2 into x minus 2 by x minus 2. Now x minus 2, both numerator and denominator, x minus 2 will be removed. Okay, so limit x tends to 2, x plus 2. Now x plus 2, x tends to 2, that is, now you can put the direct substitution method. So 2 plus 2, that is 4. Got it everyone? I hope it is clear to you. Next sums from the factorization method. Do it quickly, very easy sums. If you want to solve it, it is better. Otherwise, I will solve. Limit x cube, limit x tends to 1, x cube minus 1 by x minus 1. Find its value, very easy, quickly, within 30 seconds you can solve it. Within 30 seconds you can solve it. First of all, try the first method, put x equal to 1, 1 minus 1, 0, so that I cannot use. Second method, factorization method, limit x tends to 1, x cube minus 1, x cube minus 1 means 1 cube, you can write it as 1 cube. A cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube means x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. That is the formula of x cube minus 1 cube, a cube minus b cube, a minus b, x square plus ab plus b square. And next one, in the denominator x minus 1. Now, numerator and denominator one factor is common, that is x minus 1. So, remove it. Next, limit x tends to 1, x square plus x plus 1. Now, you can put here 1 directly. So, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Okay, 3 is the answer. Yes, very good. Krishnendu and Angana. Okay, so 3 is the answer. Next part. Next sums. Try it quickly. Try to solve it quickly. Limit x tends to 2, x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 by x cube minus 6 square, x cube x square minus 6x plus 8. Okay, first of all, if you put x equal to 2 directly, 2 square 4 minus 2 into 6 into 2, 12 plus 8, 4 plus 12, 4 plus 8, that is 12, 12 minus 12, 0. Okay, so denominator is 0. So, first method automatically removed. Second method, factorize it. Denominator is a quadratic equation, so we can use the middle term method, but numerator in the cube, the highest degree is 3. It means it is a cubic equation. In class 9, the polynomial chapter, in the class 9 polynomial chapter, we have learned how to factorize the cubic equation. Okay, I think you can solve that one. Solve it quickly. Solve it quickly. Okay, I hope regarding the outcome you already got all the information in the chat box. Okay, if further you have any question regarding the question, you can ask me now immediately, then you will get the information. Okay, ask me quickly. That project assessment will be taken later on. Okay, that will be given later on. Okay, now concentrate on that upcoming exam. All the things, assessment or next exam, all of this will be given, will be noticed in your in our website. No projects are there now. Scroll করুন sir. Sir, for the website login, we will get it. Yes, you can contact with the front office. Tell me quickly any question, any other question? For solving your question, already UKT sir is sitting here. That time will be given in the in the website, school website, okay, who asked that Angana regularly check the school website. There will be there, the notification will be there. I hope that at the beginning of October, okay, but that is not confirmation for the concrete news. You have to check the website. And other things, if you do the class regularly, we can also be able to date announcement of that date, okay, and otherwise you have to check the website. If you do the class regularly, then we can say the what is the date of the exam. Otherwise you have to check the website. Okay, now I am starting the class here. Next sum, that is limit x tends to 2 x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 by a. So first upper portion, it means numerator. Numerator is cubic equation. Now we know that cubic, for solving cubic equation, factorization called cubic equation, x cube minus 6x square plus a. So by that method is known as zero factor method or zero method. Okay, put x equal to 2. So you will get that 0. So x minus 2 is the factor of the given expression. Okay. Now x cube, for getting x cube, you have to multiply x square here. So x cube minus 2x square. Now here is minus 6x square. I have minus 2x square. For the minus, that is minus 4x square. So minus 4x is here plus 8x. Now here is 3x. For the 3x, you add 3x plus 3 and minus 6. So limit x tends to 2. That is x minus 2 into x square minus 4x plus 3, and the denominator, that is easy middle term. I think you can solve it. I am solving that x minus 2, x minus 4. Okay. Both the numerator and the denominator, just x minus 2 is common. So limit x tends to 2, x square x square minus 4x plus 3 limit. Now you can put x directly, x equal to 2. Directly x equal to 2. So 8 minus 8, that is 4. 4 minus 8 plus 3 by minus 2. So 4 plus 3, 7, 7 minus 8, minus 1. Minus 1 by minus 2, that is 1 by 2. Okay. 1 by 2 is the answer. 1 by 2 is the answer. Any problem? Any problem? Poulomi Saha. Okay, Poulomi is the regular student. Poulomi Saha is the regular student. Okay, Devdeep. Next question. So factorization method is over. Next method, the rationalized method. Rationalized method means when we fail in these two methods, I mean direct substitution method and factorization method, that time I can use the rationalization method for finding limit. First of all, in the rationalization method, obviously almost in case of 90% where square root is there, where the denominator or the numerator are in the square root form, that time you can use the rationalized method. Okay, and you can observe there that factorization method and direct substitution method will not be applicable. That time you can use. Okay, for an example, rationalization method, just limit x tends to 0, root of 2 plus x minus root of 2 minus x by x. Okay, sorry, root 2. It is not root 2 minus x, root 2. Okay, root 2. So if you directly put 0, that is then denominator is 0, and there is no way how to factorize it. Okay, only method, rationalization method. Rationalization, one term we have already familiar, that term conjugate. A plus root b, conjugate of a minus root b. Root a plus 2, conjugate of that 2 plus root x or 2 minus root x. Okay, so here you can rationalize the denominator. Here is denominator. Okay, limit x tends to 0, root 2 plus x minus root 2, root 2 plus x minus root 2, x into root 2 plus x plus root 2. Okay, limit x tends to 0, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, sorry, a plus b, a minus b. So root of 2 plus x whole square minus root 2 whole square. Now x, 2 plus x plus root 2. So limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, root 2 plus x means 2 plus x minus 2 by x into root of 2 plus x plus root 2. I hope that is 2 plus x, 2 to remove, limit x tends to 2, x tends to 0, root of 2 plus x plus root 2. So x equal to 0. So x remove. Okay. Now putting x equal to 0, 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, that is 1 by 2 root 2. 1 by 2 root 2 is the answer. 1 by 2 root 2 is the answer. Any problem, anyone? Any problem? Okay, next sums. Next sums, that is okay, tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Limit x tends to 0, x by root of a plus x minus root of a minus x. Tell me the answer. This is very easy sums. Yes, square root of a or root a. Okay, just check out it. Limit x tends to 0, root x by root a plus x and root of a minus x multiply root of a plus x plus root of a minus x and root of a plus x plus root of a minus x. A plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. What will be the answer? That is a square minus b square root of a plus x whole square minus root of a minus x whole square. So, limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, x into root of a plus x plus root of a minus x by a plus x into a minus x, that is a plus x minus a plus x. So, minus a remove. So, upper portion I am rubbing that first portion, limit x tends to 0, x of root of a plus x plus root of a minus x by 2x. To remove, now just put x equal to 0, that will be root a plus root a by 2. So, 2 root a by 2, 2 root a by 2, that is to remove, only answer is root a. Root a is the answer. Okay, I hope you got that concept. Any problem? So, I am ending this class here. Next day I will discuss the for some formula, then I will try to solve some NCERT sums, then I will continue the NCERT books. Okay, that is limit chapter. Okay, so thank you, and I hope you will got that concept of every sums. If you have any problem, you can ask me in the next class or in this class. I am giving you 1 minute for the any queries from the, for the exam or any of the class.